Okay, hold up guys. I couldn't really post the video the way it was. When I started the video, I forgot to do one important thing. I didn't test to make sure everything would come out the right way. And so my tiles were overlapping. So what I did was I posted the video later and went to Home Depot, got some more wood, painted the wood and put the shelf back up. Just this bottom shelf, and this way everything looks the way I wanted it to look in the first place. So my tiles are not overlapping. I'm actually able to put 2 hand tiles up now instead of just the one, and I can put up this little mirror that came from Pier 1 for about $5, and it fits this time. So this is the look that I was going for, guys. We are going to continue part 2 with decorating or staging this half bathroom. Last time we left off at part 1, and that's where we decorated these towels here. And we will leave a link in the description box if you'd like to go back and check out that video on how we decorated those towels that way. But today we're going to do a couple of things here. So I'm going to actually stop the camera and put up some shelving over this toilet, and we're going to do some things here to make it a little bit nicer. The first thing that we're going to do that I can show you right away is we're going to put a basket here for our guest. So I got this really cute idea. This is a basket, a vegetable basket that I got from Walmart. I saw this on another YouTuber's channel, and I thought this would be a great decoration for staging our bathroom, because we can use this as it will go with our design and colors as well. As you can see, it kind of ties in with the shower curtain. Now, the only thing I really did was I kept these shower curtains and I updated those little buttons at the top, the hooks, so they kind of match now. They're like a matte silver. And we're going to pause right here, and we're going to put some shelving up above this area here, and we'll continue and let you see how we decorate it. Alright guys, we're back, and we have put up the shelving, as you can see. So this was a DIY. We went to Home Depot, and because we got these boards cut a specific size, which was about 19 inches long, we were told it was considered scrap, and we got them free. So we actually didn't have to pay anything for the wood. So yeah, that was kind of nice to actually get something for free and just use paint that we already had. So that cost us nothing. And of course the shelf holders, we did order them online. I got a set of 4 for about $4, if that much. And I'll leave everything in the description box so you'll know where we got everything. So pretty much I ordered these towels from TJ Maxx. I got a really good deal. They were probably $1 a piece. And as you can see, we just got this little frame from Dollar Tree, so that was $1. And I printed up this So Fresh, So Clean from back in the day and put it in the frame. I thought that would be cute for the bathroom. And I just got this from Dollar Tree, and I decorated with some bling. And I got this little plant holder. It's kind of a Christmas feel with some, let's see what's in there, winter flowers and some little pine leaves from Kohls, with some Kohls cash, and it was free. It was $4, so I had to actually spend my Kohl cash, and that's what I thought I'd get. I got this candle online, candle holder. I'll put that in the description box. We got that really cheap. It actually came in a set of 2, and I was kind of impressed because everything was free shipping. It was Black Friday. I thought it would look cute with the silver in the bathroom. And I threw in a little bling on the towels, and as you can see, the candle holder as well. This is just some bling strips that you can get from Dollar Tree. And I will actually have a video to show you how we decorated the towels for this particular side of the bathroom as well. And again, we just put here some air freshener. You can always use that. It's useful in the bathroom, of course. And as I mentioned earlier, this is just the basket we got from Walmart. And now our guests can just get tissue if they run out instead of trying to figure out where to get it from. So pretty much you saw part one where we decorated the towels and we've got our little bling on the front. So I wanted to put a little bling on the other side, not anything overpowering, but we do have a little bit so that it kind of ties in together, you know. But that is our part two and actually the final of this half bathroom. What we will be doing and focusing on next is the master bathroom, and I'll try to do something different. What I'm thinking about is bringing maybe the shower curtains all the way up to the ceiling because we have really tall ceilings, so I want to make it look a little different. Plus it's the master bathroom, so you want it to look a little bit more dramatic, even for staging. So my hopes is that this staging will help us make this look a lot more presentable than it did, because literally it was a blank slate. I mean, we had no shelving up here. We had no decorations pretty much. I'm really not a high maintenance person. Hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you on the next one.